ever slipped on a white skirt and felt, meh, like it's too crisp, too young, or worse, like you're trying too hard? The truth is, a white skirt isn't just a summer staple, it's a forever piece that can become the foundation of your most sophisticated looks. The secret lies in choosing the right cuts, fabrics, and styling tricks that honor your beautiful, experienced body. Whether you're curvy, petite, or gloriously in between, these are looks that will turn heads for all the right reasons, because nothing is more attractive than a woman who knows exactly what works for her. Ready to transform that skirt from just okay to absolutely stunning? Let's begin. 1. Slip into grace, the power of flowing cuts. As we mature, our best silhouettes are those that move with us rather than restrict us. A softly pleated midi skirt or an A-line cut is magic. It skims curves without clinging, creating elegant movement with every step. The slight fullness of these styles offers comfort while maintaining polish, making them perfect for everything from lunch dates to gallery openings. For maximum versatility, look for skirts with subtle details like side slits, just high enough to show a bit of leg when you move, or gentle gathers at the waist that provide shape without bulk. These designs work beautifully on all body types because they create a flattering vertical line. Pair them with a tucked-in silk blouse for refined elegance, or a lightweight sweater set for cozy sophistication. Remember, when your skirt floats, so does your confidence. 2. Natural fabrics, effortless elegance. The fabric of your white skirt makes all the difference between looking fresh and looking frumpy. Natural materials like high-quality cotton, linen, or lightweight wool blends are worth the investment. They drape beautifully, resist wrinkles, and become more comfortable with each wear. A crisp cotton poplin holds its structure for that perfect polished look, while a linen blend softens naturally, developing a lovely lived-in elegance that only gets better with time. Avoid synthetic fabrics at all costs. They cling in unflattering ways and tend to look cheap under natural light. Instead, embrace textiles that breathe and move with you. Pro tip: look for skirts with a bit of texture, like a subtle weave or a barely there stripe. These small details add visual interest while maintaining that clean, sophisticated white skirt aesthetic. And don't forget, proper care is key. Always follow laundering instructions to keep your whites bright and your fabrics in perfect condition. 3. Tonal harmony, style that glows. Not all whites are created equal, especially when it comes to flattering mature complexions. Stark bright white can wash you out, while warmer tones like ivory, oatmeal, or pearl white complement your natural glow beautifully. Build your outfit around these softer hues for a look that enhances rather than competes with your gorgeous features. For a foolproof monochromatic outfit, try pairing your white skirt with pieces in similar but slightly varying tones. Think a pearl white skirt with an ecru blouse and nude accessories. This creates depth and sophistication without harsh contrasts. When you do want to add color, opt for muted tones like slate blue, sage green, or soft mauve that harmonize with your neutral base. These colors provide just enough contrast to be interesting while maintaining that refined, put-together elegance we all love.